Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feathercap, and today we will learn another rhyme. So let's get started. You must be wondering what is this bag is doing with me? It's a school bag. It's a school bag. You know what's a school bag? That you carry to school every day. And what you keep in the school bag? Your books, your notebooks, pencil box, lunch box, right? And crayons also. And then you hang it like this, and then you go to school. Bye bye mama, bye bye papa. Like this you say bye bye to them, and then you went to school. Okay, that's a school bag, and this is in blue and yellow in color. Okay, it's a blue color, and this one is yellow color. Okay, so a rhyme is about little scholar. A rhyme is about little scholar. And who's a little scholar? Do you know? You all are little scholars. Okay? You all are little scholars. Do you know that? So let's learn this rhyme. I'm a little scholar. I'm a little scholar. I like to go to school. I like to go to school. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher and follow every rule. And follow every rule. So, in this rhyme, he's saying, I'm a little scholar. Who's the little scholar? This child and this girl. This child and this girl is little scholar here, okay? And they're saying, I like to go to school. Do you like to go to school? Yes, because I like to go to school too. So, and we should go to school every day to learn new things, okay? I'm a little scholar. I'm a little scholar. I like to go to school. I like to go to school. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher and follow every rule. And follow every rule. Do you listen to your teacher? Who is she? Here, who is she? She's a teacher. Like, I am your teacher, okay? And what does a teacher do? Teacher teaches students, okay? Teacher teaches students. Like, I teach you, okay? So, she's teaching here, and the child is singing rhyme. Like, we are singing rhyme here, okay? And do you follow every rule of your teacher? And you must do, okay? Like I say, you should learn this rhyme. Will you learn this rhyme? I know you will. Very good. So, let's sing this rhyme one more time, okay? I'm a little scholar. I'm a little scholar. I like to go to school. I like to go to school. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher and follow every rule. And follow every rule. Very good, everyone. Now, you will learn this rhyme at your home with your mama, okay? Now we will see you in the next class with another rhyme. Till then, take care. Happy learning.